Hey there guys, and as you can see, your boy is currently auto farming on floating Turtle Island, and I will show you how to get this Delta block fruits for both your iOS and Android devices. As you can see, your boy is currently using an Android device, but let it put it to rest. It will auto farm on its very own, guys. And now let's start the full step-by-step process on our iOS device. So guys, as you can see, your boy is currently on its iPhone, and I will start with the whole step-by-step process how we can get this Delta block fruits for your mobile device. So the only step that we need to cover up, guys, is to make sure that we are using our Wi-Fi connection, not use any kind of VPN connections. It is a very important step for us to cover. So now, guys, it will enable us to go to our browser. So fellas, this is the address that we will be typing in, as you can see, and what we have here is there's the Delta executor, guys. There are the scripts that we will be using, and even we can get some Robux. But for now, guys, let's not lose our focus. Let's get this Delta block fruits and literally just auto farm, just as your boy did at the beginning of this whole tutorial. Now everything will be much easier as soon as we get it. So click on that button, get it. And now click on Blox fruit. So guys, once we click on that, as you can see, what it says right here is that we need to enter a Roblox ID. But if you don't know that long number, don't worry. You will go on this website right here and enter your nickname. So as soon as you enter it, of course, you will find your character. Click on it and copy the link that you have. Once you copied it, paste it right here, and it will extract your Roblox ID. So let me just enter mine right here, just like that, guys. Click on done and search user ID. So of course it is searching us right now, and right after that, guys, we'll be one step closer into receiving our Delta Blox fruits. So guys, install the latest version of Delta Executor to our ID. Now select the script, guys, and we will be going for Forge Hub. I mean, just look at those downloads, 1.4 million downloads. Let's click on continue, and let's make this game much easier for us, guys. So API connecting, everything looks good. Now guys, let's go ahead, click on this right here, and we are going to the last part. So guys, once we are redirected right here, what do we have is there are some apps which are all from the official App Store, Google Play Store. So guys, your boy will go ahead, select two of them. For example, with the first one, I will go with Flip. Download and install this app, then run it for 30 seconds, guys. So I will just quickly download two apps and be right back, guys, right after that. So it is important that you not only download them, but also read what it says from you in the description. So give me a second right here and I will be right back. So guys, basically, as soon as you completed two apps, in this case, I've done three just to be sure once again, but basically, once you completed two apps and do what it says from you in the description, you will just enter your Roblox, select the game that you will playing, and just after that, guys, you will see the auto farming happening just at the beginning of this whole tutorial, or just like at the beginning. So guys, that is all for today. I hope this was a very useful tutorial for you as it was for me. If there are any questions, leave a comment down below. Your boy will be there for you. Otherwise, don't forget to leave a like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. See ya.